If you trade with a small account, this could be one of the most important trading concepts you learn. In this video, we break down a setup that's used by legendary trader Kristjan Qullamaggie. Rather than add further hype to his widely discussed returns, we're looking at the Episodic Pivot, or EP, a repeatable framework that focuses on identifying high momentum inflection points in strong stocks. By the end of this video, you'll understand how the EP works, why it's so effective when applied correctly, and how traders use it as a core building block in a disciplined trading process. The harsh reality is that most traders have absolutely no idea what they're doing. They jump from alert service to alert service, setup to setup, essentially gambling their way through the markets. But here's what separates the professionals from the perpetual strugglers. They master one setup completely. Not 10 setups, not 20, one. And today, we're diving deep into the setup that Qullamaggie's followers claim to have generated huge outperformance over the years. Let me start with Qullamaggie's definition of an episodic pivot, because precision matters when we're talking about life-changing money. An EP is a gap up of 10% or more, accompanied by massive volume near the open. We're talking about stocks that trade their average daily volume within the first 15 to 20 minutes, and sometimes even quicker. The fundamental logic is simple. News catches the markets completely off guard and forces an immediate revaluation of the stock. This is what Qullamaggie calls rocket fuel, the kind of catalysts that institutions can't ignore. And here's the crucial part that most traders miss. When institutions buy, they don't complete their purchases in a single day. It can take months for them to reach their desired allocation, which means the buying pressure continues long after that initial gap. Think about it logically. If a company reports earnings that are 300% above expectations, or announces a game-changing partnership, the market doesn't just shrug and move on. Smart money recognizes value, and it accumulates systematically. That's your edge, riding alongside institutional buying pressure. However, not all EPs are created equal, and understanding the variations is crucial for your success. We have political and regulatory catalysts, massive overnight revaluations based on policy implications, as it happens to bank stocks in 2016 after the US elections. Then there are FDA and biotech-related EPs. These can be the most explosive but also the most challenging to navigate. Qullamaggie studied biomedicine for 3 years and still finds these difficult. That should tell you something about their complexity. Contract and partnership announcements create another category. When a small company announces a deal with Amazon or Microsoft, the market often reprices the entire business model overnight. Then there is industry or business-specific news, as it happens to all stocks even remotely catering to the AI boom recently. But the most consistent and tradable EPs come from earnings and earnings guidance. These are easier to find, easier to understand, and they occur in predictable cycles. Every quarter, we get a concentrated period of 3 to 4 weeks where these setups proliferate. This makes it the ultimate setup for working professionals. You don't need to watch screens all day. Just focus during earnings season. Let's discuss how to identify and enter the setup. To find these setups, you simply have to run a screen for big pre-market gainers, preferably above 10%. You can use these filters on any charting platform to build this scanner. Once you have the list, you can then go through the names individually and find out the catalyst for the pivot. As stated, the earnings catalysts are the easiest to trade, followed by business industry news, then regulatory policy news, and finally biotech news. If you filter it well, you will mostly have 1 to 3 names to trade every day. Another important point to note is that the setup works best when the stock has been consolidating for 3 months before the gap up. If the stock is already up and trending strongly, or it is up significantly from a previous EP, the setup will have a higher chance of failure. Let's get to the entry. Qullamaggie's approach is elegantly simple. Wait for the opening range highs to break. You can watch that first 1-minute candle form, observe the volume carefully, and enter once the opening range highs break. Sometimes you might miss the 1-minute highs, that's fine. Buy the 5-minute highs or even the 60-minute highs. The key is confirmation through volume and price action. Your stop is always at the lows of the day. Always. Make sure your risk is no more than 1 times the average daily range. This isn't negotiable. It's what Qullamaggie says keeps you in the game long enough to catch the big winners. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. You can execute it with a 13-inch laptop from anywhere in the world. No need for 8 screens, no fancy indicators, and no complex algorithms. Just price, volume, and disciplined execution. Let me share some specific examples that demonstrate the power of this method. Take HYMC. This was a recent EP that delivered a 180% return till the top in 21 trading sessions. The catalyst? The company found higher grades of silver in its mines at a time when silver prices were soaring. Or consider Planet Labs, PL, in September 2025, which gapped up 20% on an earnings beat. The stock went up 100% after it triggered an entry from the opening range highs. There are several such examples in which the stocks gap up 50, 100 or even 200% and continue to go higher. The best part is that you will not lose too much if you're wrong and cash in on a big move when you are right, creating a super positive expectancy. You could be significantly profitable even with a 20% win rate. Here's something that might surprise you. Smaller accounts actually have a significant advantage with this setup. While Qullamaggie might be limited by liquidity constraints on some of the smaller names, traders with accounts under $100,000 have access to incredible opportunities. These micro and small cap stocks make the biggest moves. A large cap stock like Shopify isn't going to gain 100% in a week. It's simply not going to happen. But a small cap stock with the right catalyst? Absolutely. This is what Qullamaggie calls the small account edge, and it's a real phenomenon. The key is staying under 1% of the average daily volume to avoid slippage issues. But for most retail traders, this isn't a constraint. It's an opportunity to participate in moves that institutional money simply can't access efficiently. Even the best setup needs the right market environment to truly shine. Qullamaggie uses a simple but effective market filter, the 10 and 20-day EMA on the QQQ. When the 10 is above the 20 and both are rising, you have a green light for aggressive positioning. Coincidentally, I use a similar filter in our group, but because our approach is more passive, we use the 10 and 20 EMA filter on the weekly charts. During unfavorable market conditions, you either reduce position sizes or avoid the setup entirely. This isn't about being right all the time. It's about maximizing your edge when conditions are optimal and preserving capital when they're not. Now comes the crucial part that separates dreamers from achievers. To master this setup, you must study hundreds and preferably thousands of historical examples. Qullamaggie built an Evernote database with thousands of instances across multiple setups going back years. He went through 6,000 to 7,000 US stocks on monthly charts, looking for big moves, then studied the intraday action. He researched the news catalysts, built pattern recognition, and developed an intuitive understanding of what works and what doesn't. It will take you 3 to 4 earnings seasons to become competent, 5 to 6 if you're slower to adapt. But once you achieve mastery, you'll never have issues with entries, stops, or profit-taking again. The episodic pivot isn't just another trading setup, it's a systematic approach to capturing some of the market's most explosive moves. Qullamaggie has proven its effectiveness with tens of millions in documented profits and triple-digit annual returns. But success isn't guaranteed simply by knowing the rules. Remember, the first million is the hardest. After that, reaching 100 million is simply doing the same thing over and over again, whilst benefiting from some good bull market years. This setup has the power to transform not just your account, but your entire financial future. The opportunity is there. The method is proven. The only question remaining is whether you're willing to put in the work to master it. For anyone new to the channel, my approach is heavily influenced by traders like Qullamaggie, Marco Minervini, and Nicholas Darvas. It's a process I've refined and applied over many years. You're welcome to follow along with my trades, or if you prefer to do the work yourself, use our bespoke breakout scanner to identify similar setups, offering low-risk, high-reward potential. The links are below and include my free ebook disclosing the entire strategy. For more on my strategy or a further deep dive into Qullamaggie's, check out these videos. As always, thanks for watching.